Okay, let's dive into how you can master the art of the bluff in the game dictionary. Because in this game, your goal is to invent definitions for rare words and trick your friends. The game is all about deception, vocabulary, and spotting the one real answer among a sea of lies. Getting started is simple. Just gather your friends either on one device or on their own. You've got two ways to play. In one, a scholar knows the truth. In the other, it's everyone against the dictionary. You can do pass and play on one phone or connect with friends on their own devices. Super easy. Every round follows the same simple but devious loop. So let's break it down with an example. First, you get a strange and wonderful word. Your job? Write a totally fake definition for it. To trick people, your definition needs to sound official. These common dictionary patterns are a great start. After everyone has written their lie, the game collects them all, adding the real one into the mix. For extra suspense, the read aloud feature lets one person read all the options. Nobody knows who wrote what. Now for the crucial part. Can you spot the one true meaning of gaznapiro among all the fakes? Scoring is where the strategy really shines. You get points for being right, but also for being a good liar. That bonus for fooling others is key. A clever lie can sometimes earn you more points than finding the truth. And this is where it all comes out. You see who guessed right and who fell for each lie. See this? Maya earned an extra point because her fake definition successfully tricked Alvaro. So how do you win? The first player to reach the target score, which is usually 30 points, is the champion. And hey, you can customize the game length by changing the score needed to win right in the settings. Now you know the rules, the strategy, and the path to victory. Time to put your bluffing skills to the test.